Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the JavaScript tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial, I will explain how to change the text and background color of the div or p element using a JavaScript. Dynamically, I want to change the text and background color with a select option element in a JavaScript. So let's start the tutorial. And here we got the final output of our application, how to change the text and background color of the div with select options using a JavaScript. Now here the first select option element to change the color. If I select blue, when I click, notice here we got the blue color. Now I want to change the background color of the div. If I add orange, here we got the orange. If I select green, click, see here, the text color is green color. Add red color to the background color. Green, red. If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates. For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code. First, let's open one new text file and I am selecting the language is HTML. After that, first let's save this file. I'm saving this file on my desktop, JavaScript tutorials. The file folder name is, inside this folder I'm adding change text bg color, background color, and the extension is the HTML. Let's save this file. After that, I'm adding one header section HTML tag. First we require the HTML, then we require the header section. After that, I'm adding the body tag. Inside this body, I'm adding center tag, so the output will be in the center of the browser. H1, how to change the text and background color of the div with select option element, with select option. And after that, JavaScript tutorials, and after the header tags I'm adding one horizontal line. After the horizontal line, I'm adding one select element. Select element contains option elements, option elements. Now let's add first option element is select is the label, select change text color, and the options are red, blue, orange and green. Just for the demo purpose, I have added only 4 colors. Again, let's copy this select option element. We require 2 select options, one for the text change color and the second one for the background color. So background color is background color, and let's leave it like that only. The options are, otherwise instead of blue I'm adding gray. Let's add the gray. So here the options contains a value is equals to red between double quotes, so small letters red. Copy this one. This one is blue, and the third option is for orange, and the fourth one for the green, which are to change the text color. And the next select option contains red for the background colors. These are the background colors: gray, orange, green. After adding these two select option elements, I am adding button control. Button control is click. Then I am adding one horizontal line. Below that I am adding one div element because I want to change the text color and the background color whatever contains in this div. So here I am adding, and here I am adding my name is Charan. My name is Charan. YouTube channel name is Harita Computers and Technology. That's it. Just for the example, I have added this small text here in this div container. Now, before adding the JavaScript code for these option elements, let's check the output, how it looks on the designing part. First, let's save this file, then go to run on the menu, start debugging. Web app Chrome, select the web app Chrome, and here we got the output of our application. At this moment, we got it contains only the header files, a horizontal line. Below the horizontal line, we have one select option element for that to change the text color of the div, and the second select option element is for to change the background color of the div element. When we click this button control, for example, if I select orange, text color orange and background color is gray, if I click, I want to change everything, whatever the select option element we have applied here. I can switch over to our coding part. Let's stop debugging. In the header section, let's add the script tag. When we want to write the JavaScript code, we need to add the script type is equals to text / JavaScript. Then in the script tag we'll have the function. Once we have the function name is change color, something, you give some proper name for the function name, JavaScript function name. And here now the logic, I want to change the div color, so I'm adding the ID. With the help of ID, div1, with the help of this ID, style.color is equals to the color for the text color is equals to, now here the select option element, I'm adding the ID is equals to select option 1. Let's copy this one here. First we need to add the document.get element by ID. Here the element by ID, we need to add this select option ID here. Dot value. What are the values here? These values we are getting. Then let's copy this one, save this file, paste here. For the background color, here the background color, let's add the ID. ID is select option 2. Note IDs must be unique of any element. If we add the select, if we add the same IDs, it does not work. The IDs must be different. And this one for the second select option element, we need to change the background color. Background. That's it. This is a property to change the background, and this is a property to change the color. That's it. And now the final step, we need to add this function to the button click. On click event is equals to, I'm adding the function name, JavaScript function name on click event. So let's save this file. Now let's check the final output of our application. Go to run and start debugging. And here we got the final output of our application. How to change the text and background color of the div with select options using a JavaScript. Now here the first select option element to change the color. If I select blue, when I click, notice here we got the blue color. Now I want to change the background color of the div. If I add orange, here we got the orange. If I select green, click, see here, the text color is green color. Add red color to the background color. Green, red, orange, gray. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have explained how to change the text and background color of the div dynamically using the select option element. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.